An initiative supporting people living with dementia has been unveiled in Croke Park, with an archive of the late Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh's iconic GAA commentary used to spark memory and connection through reminiscence therapy. Called The Replay, it is an online audio service from All-Ireland football and hurling finals between 1985 and 2010.
What a majestic point, the point of the game so far.
Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh was a very special broadcaster who painted pictures and created memories for generations on the radio. The Replay website brings together decades of All-Ireland commentary, which has been designed to support emotional well-being and meaningful engagements for people living with dementia.
We all grew up with Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh's voice in our homes, and it brings back fond memories. It's hard to put into words how big it's going to be.
Oh, we're honoured that they've gone to the trouble of digging out all his commentaries from the archives and making them so accessible to people online, and to know that his voice will live on in people's living rooms now and bring back happy memories and smiles to people that are suffering from dementia. It'd be fantastic, really.
RTÉ are celebrating 100 years of radio this year, so the national broadcaster warmly welcomed this initiative.
I think radio is something that has accompanied people through their lives for all of that time, and I think we can all remember where we were when we heard significant interviews, be they Mícheál's GAA commentary or something else.
We can work with fantastic partners like the GAA, like with Alzheimer's Ireland, on these kind of projects, and we want to do more of that into the future to deliver for our audiences and people around the country.
On www.thereplay.ie, matches are easily found by game, year or county, allowing people to revisit the sounds that would spark memories and days of happiness.
This is a really tangible example of how people who perhaps haven't got their full faculties anymore, unfortunately, can benefit from hearing the games, which probably invoke really positive memories of their younger days.
This is a new national initiative supporting people living with dementia through the wonderful iconic commentaries of Mícheál Ó Muircheartaigh. Many of them were performed in this very position, sparking memory, joy and indeed connection through the powerful benefits of reminiscence therapy. Marty Morrissey, RTÉ News in the commentary box, Croke Park.